Hi, I look like a fucking psycho right now. I'm very well aware of this, like whatever. So I just want to show you guys what I'm working with so I can show you the miracles that I do end up working. So this is my hair faded out after like, I don't know, I want to say like 3 months or so. Also, I put a little bit of developer on it to lighten up the ends more yesterday because they were all kind of like this mauve-y, like pinky purplish, like, I don't know, auburnish curl. Is going to do something with this crazy ass mop. So stay tuned and watch what fucking miracles I be working. Also, I'm in my new apartment. It's not set up the best yet, so I'm not showing you guys shit. Eventually, I'll do like a room tour. I also have no furniture. I have a bed and stuff like that and like living room furniture. But as far as like a bedroom set and a living room set, not so much. Lost it in the flood. Also, that's why I've been gone for so long. I had an amazing flood. It was like an amazing July. So sorry for not posting, but like I was going through some shit and it was affecting me emotionally and it was wearing on my face, my skin. It broke out. I mean, it just was like so much. You wouldn't have even wanted to like see it anyways. So anyways, I'm back. I'm gonna go fucking do something with this. I literally just came on here to show you the before. This is so intense. And you'll see the after soon. This probably looks like trash right now, I'm not really sure. But I'm doing like a galaxy curl effect. You'll see when it's like washed out, but there's a bunch of different blues, purples, a little bit of pink in here. Anyways, because my whole color scheme is purple, blue, and pink, as we all know. So purple being number one at the moment. It alternates between the three. But I have finally achieved what appears to be my desired galaxy curls. So stay tuned when I wash it out. We'll see what happens. But how I achieve this look is like I faded out my purple, and then I faded out the ends more. Went over, dyed like my roots purple mostly, and then did most of the tips like blue, and then did like my scrunch effect. And then I mixed a little bit of blue and purple to make another color, which was like a darker, more vibrant purple, I guess, more bluey purple. And I slapped that in there, which is like that color, I think. And then after that, I did the scrunch method with both that and the purple. So, and I used the aqua this time, the aqua brights, and then I used the Radiant Orchid brights too this time. I used 2 of those and 1 of that aqua blue. They were semi-permanent this time. I just found that the semi-permanent has a more vibrant look that I like. So I switched back to that. So this is the results. I will come back after I wash it out and you will see the galaxy curl, girl and boys. Got a blast.